Report yourself. Yes. As a Diamond Club member, yeah. You get wine. Oh, you're beautiful. What is that? Understand. A taste and drink. Yep, there you go.
Yeah, right.
Try it. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Oh my. Wow. I say too early. Yeah. Oh my. Wow. Cheers. I love this for you, sis. Yeah. That's right.
It's good.
Okay. Perfect.
We don't have yet from 210.
That's right.
After delivery, Diamond Club. Oh my God. Fresh.
Yes, I see yours, woman. Fresh. Yours are on those. Oh my.
Evil on the beat, on the beat.
So now come look for the view.
Oh, sun hot, hot. Hi.
Oh, stay.
It's my purchase.
Wow.
Come on.
The lazy river. This nice.
You get the rat over there.
Mm-hmm.
They get in and then they take you around.
Yeah, and if you don't want your hair to wet up, trust me. Yeah. You can get off and squeeze through and look up all because I never want my hair to wet up. But once you go up on it, it's nice. The water cool first when you go in there, but afterward it's bad.
Where you guys going?
Be nice to Tami.
What you say? Oh, go on.
Yeah, come dance tonight. then.
Wait, no. What you say?
Nice to
What you say?
Dance for a long time.
Oh,
These are work up here.
Oh, you used to work at Bahia with Cheeky. Jesus. You me glad that they are some man, cause you know, you bring your vibes, you know.
A real deal.
Star Classic. Star Classic.
Wow.
Official. When you say tonight, I'm going to turn up then. Cause you're there, you know the vibes. Whoa.
We are performing tonight.
Love it. Love it.
So
All
9 o'clock
right.
is the show.
All right. But yeah, big up yourself.
All right,
All
okay.
right.
All of our days. Outside.
But that's him retired, man.
That's why he was staring at me like, what was he staring for?
What's your vibes?
Your fans are for what?
I can't talk too loud enough. You know if it's swim, can you have to go teach me? Right. So we're going at this. You have the double floaty or you have the single one. See them you know? We're going at it and then they take you all the way around. You don't have to push yourself. You just relax and you know, have vibe. And then see, I guess then turn off the waterfall for this part. Oh, but it's over there. So you can just go over this one, you go under it and it wet you up. But if you don't want to, you can come out of the floaty and just like swim screechy past on the side. Put you on the side and pass that me look at you know say. The group picture never take it, so I never really want to hear. You know what I'm saying? But you say tomorrow now like how the group picture take tonight, a problem. I don't care what want to happen to my head. There you go. How you guys enjoying your vacation? Enjoying your time? Yes? Very lovely. I like it. Yes. Oh, see there? The waterfalls there. Normally it's heavier than that, but as the time wind down, them turn it off and like cut off the pool in our way and thing. You know. But yeah, I say I'm going to water cool, you see boy. I'm say murder. Yeah, I don't really like being again. So I never. What go on? So what on there? You can take it. You can take it and put it over your head if you want. Put it over your head and that's how you're going. Alright. Ready now. That's right. Watch lifestyle. Yeah, that's doing it good. See one yeah? Yeah, that one that good for only two people, but this one. No, mommy, you can't do it, so man. And I saw you go on it. You want a single one. Oh, God. What you do? You want help?
Hold it
all right, go hold it. I can't believe you had yourself, so.
That's a simple one.
Jesus, this different. This different. All right, see people that might come here now, so don't have to go one way. One way. All right, are you that now? Oh, here we go. It's so moved, man.
Oh.
Or you can just pass up. Yeah. And you can steer it away there. Chills. Murder. Right now, walk.
Get a floating man.
You look like you have to go get your Lucy family.
Chuck the barriers, man.
Oh. This look nice. This look nice. Yeah. This is fun. Jesus. Hey. I saw you go, man. When I don't know. halfway. My tulips coming like she start walk. But she did ahead of tulips, right? Tulips working kind of in.
She way back there.
You see her?
Yeah.
Struggling. Me not looking at me tired.
We gotta get away from it.
Oh yeah, I got it backwards. Yeah, reverse. That make. God no. Hold on. All right, we're gonna know. Hold on.
Hold on.
Bye. Then this look nice, see? Whoa. Much lights. Bye. Yeah. You look good. Mm-hmm. So like then turn off the current or what? Maybe. Well, look like what the family one that know you just have used an unboxing.